Chapter 1, Basics about Cats. Do you have a cat? Or have you had one before? Cats, with their adorable appearance and unique personalities, are loved by many people around the world. As a result, cats are now present on every continent except Antarctica, with their numbers reaching an astonishing 370 million. This shows that cats have adapted to living with humans and can survive in various environments. Cats are closely involved in human life and can adjust their behavior patterns to some extent according to human activities. Cats often spend about 13 to 14 hours a day sleeping. Originally, cats lead a lifestyle of sleeping for long hours to conserve energy for hunting. They are cute, but they are also born hunters. Cats are carnivorous, and their teeth and claws are suitable for catching small prey, especially mice and rats. Cats' teeth have a specialized shape for catching prey and biting off its neck. Cats are very social animals and can show great affection towards humans and other animals, and it is said that they can adapt to some extent to the lifestyle rhythm of their owners. Behaviorally, a cat's human owner functions as a substitute for its mother. Cats usually eat cat food, but it is said that they prefer food at the same temperature as fresh prey, about 38 degrees Celsius 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, they do not have the ability to taste sweetness. This is because the taste buds for tasting sweetness in cats do not bind to sugar molecules. Instead, cats' taste buds react to sourness, tastes like amino acids, proteins, and bitterness. You may have heard the purring sound of a cat. This sound is produced when certain muscles in the cat's throat tense and relax repeatedly. The movement of these muscles changes the flow of air, resulting in sound. This sound is often heard especially when the cat is relaxed or showing affection. Now, let's look at cat breeds. There are about 60 breeds, each with its own unique features and charm. Next is the Siamese cat. Siamese cats are known for their bright blue eyes, short fur, and distinctive point color. Siamese cats are very sociable. Also, Maine Coon is a very popular breed. Maine Coons are known for their large physique, rich fur, and lynx-like ears. They are very friendly and are said to have a dog-like personality. Furthermore, there is a breed called Russian Blue. Russian Blues are known for their beautiful silver blue fur and green eyes. They are very intelligent and have a quiet personality. And American Shorthair is also a popular breed. American Shorthairs are known for their muscular physique, short fur, and a wide variation of colors and patterns. They are very active and adaptable. These are just a few of the cat breeds. There are also various breeds such as the active and playful Abyssinian, the Munchkin with short legs and a unique appearance, and the SPHYNX known for being hairless. The unique features and personalities of each cat breed are very interesting, aren't they? As for the athletic ability of cats, their amazing jumping ability is particularly noteworthy. A typical house cat can jump as high as about 1.5 meters, 5 feet, from the ground. This is equivalent to about 90% of the average human height. This amazing jumping ability is an important ability for cats to corner their prey and escape from danger. Also, cats are very agile and can move at high speeds. Cats can run at speeds of up to about 48 kilometers per hour, 30 miles per hour. This is equivalent to the speed of some Olympic sprinters. Also, thanks to their flexibility and sense of balance, cats can land safely even when they fall from high places. This is called the cat's falling reflex, and it is achieved by the cat twisting its spine, rotating its body, and spreading its limbs to reduce the falling speed. Furthermore, cats have very superior vision. Cats' eyes can capture much more light than human eyes, allowing cats to see almost in the dark. Also, cats' eyes have a wide field of view, which allows them to observe their surrounding environment over a wide range. These amazing abilities are important tools for cats to survive in the wild. Why do cats want to get into cardboard boxes? The reason why cats get into boxes is not fully understood, but several theories have been proposed. One is that the box provides a safe hiding place for the cat. When in a box, the cat can protect itself without being seen from the outside. Also, the box becomes a new exploration site for the cat, stimulating its curiosity. Cats are active at night because their ancestors had a nocturnal lifestyle. Nocturnal animals are active at night and rest during the day. The wild ancestors of cats hunted at night and rested in safe places during the day. This lifestyle has been passed on to modern house cats. However, cats also have the ability to adapt to human lifestyles, and they may adjust their activity times to match the lifestyle rhythm of their owners. Chapter 2: The Evolutionary History of Cats. Let's talk about the ancient ancestors of cats. Myosis, an animal that lived during the Eocene epoch from about 60 million to 55 million years ago, is considered to be the common ancestor of modern dogs and cats. These animals represent the early stages of the evolution of the order Carnivora, which are carnivorous mammals. Animals that evolved from Myosis eventually branched into two major groups, the Caniformia, which are dog-like, and the Feliformia, which are cat-like. Later, around 10.8 million years ago, a species called Proailurus appeared, which is considered to be the ancestor of modern Felidae. Proailurus lived in Europe and Asia, and its fossils have been found in Mongolia, Germany, and Spain. Then, around 7,500 years ago, the Libyan wildcat, Felis libica, appeared, which is considered to be the direct ancestor of the modern domestic cat. The domestication of the Libyan wildcat began in Western Asia, and as agriculture spread, so did the domesticated cat. The Libyan wildcat was a very independent creature, often having its own territory. They would display strong intimidating behavior to protect their territory. Also, they were very agile and could run fast. When humans began farming, they played a role in exterminating pests that invaded the farmland. As a result, a relationship based on mutual benefit was formed between humans and cats, and gradually cats became closely tied to human life. As for Myosis, it was an animal with a small body and a long tail, capable of climbing trees. On the other hand, the Libyan wildcat, in its wild state, was a medium-sized cat with a body length of about 50 centimeters and a tail length of about 30 centimeters, and its body color was a light brown that blended into the desert. Also, like modern domestic cats, the Libyan wildcat was nocturnal and mainly preyed on small mammals and birds. Chapter 3: The History of Human-Cat Relationships. In ancient Egypt, cats were seen as symbols of the goddess Batet, who represented love, beauty, home, motherhood, and the warmth of the sun. Initially worshipped in the form of a lion, Bastet's image softened to that of a domestic cat after cats were domesticated around 1500 BC. Cats were believed to have the power to ward off evil spirits and diseases. As a result, every household had at least one cat, and the health and safety of the cat were directly linked to the family's fortune. When a cat died, the family would shave their eyebrows in mourning. Killing a cat was strictly forbidden and could result in the death penalty, whether it was intentional or accidental. The respect for cats was so profound that the Egyptians avoided endangering cats even in times of war. According to the historian Herodotus, the Persians, knowing how much the Egyptians revered cats, used them as shields when they attacked Egypt. The Egyptians, to avoid harming the cats, surrendered the battle. Not only did the Egyptians love, respect, and sanctify cats, but they also frequently depicted them in art and religion. Cats were depicted in various forms, such as murals, sculptures, jewelry, and pots. In the 19th century, a cat cemetery containing hundreds of thousands of cat mummies was discovered in Beni Hasan. Cats have lived with humans for thousands of years, but amazingly, their genes have hardly changed from those of wild cats. This suggests that cats have retained their wild instincts while coexisting with humans. They have not abandoned the wild. For example, cats prefer high places. This reflects the behavior of wild cats, who used high places to ensure safety and look for prey. Even when provided with sufficient food, domestic cats often show hunting behavior. Their wild side also appears in tendencies to create territories and in intimidating body language. As cats and humans spent thousands of years together, various legends and anecdotes arose around the world. Freya is a goddess in Norse mythology who is said to govern love, beauty, and abundance. Freya is often depicted traveling in a cart pulled by large cats. These cats are generally interpreted as large cats or cats of the Norwegian forest. Although there is no confirmation, one possibility is that these cats were Norwegian forest cats of modern times. In Japanese legends and folktales, the Nikomata is a mythical creature that is said to be a transformation of particularly old cats. Nikomata are generally said to have two tails, from which they get their name. Nikomata are said to have supernatural abilities such as speaking human language, transforming into humans, controlling the dead, and manipulating fire. The legend of the Nikomata is based on an old belief that cats gain supernatural powers as they age. Also, because cats lead lives close to humans while maintaining nocturnal and independent lifestyles, they are often depicted as beings between humans and nature. In Japan, the maneki-neko is still very popular today and is seen as a symbol of business prosperity and increased fortune. The maneki-neko is generally a ceramic cat statue with one hand raised to invite people in and is often placed at the entrance of shops and restaurants. There are various theories about the origin of the maneki-neko, but the most widely told is the legend of the rich merchant's dream. According to this legend, one day, a wealthy merchant was taking shelter under a tree when he saw a cat in a nearby temple that seemed to be waving its hand. When the merchant walked towards the cat, lightning struck the tree right after, saving his life. The merchant then supported the temple, which flourished. After the merchant's death, the cat was enshrined as a maneki-neko and became a symbol of business prosperity. Maneki-neko with their right hand raised are said to bring financial fortune, while those with their left hand raised are said to invite people. The color also has different meanings, with white symbolizing purity and good luck, black symbolizing protection from evil spirits, and gold symbolizing wealth and prosperity. These legends and anecdotes reveal how deeply rooted cats are in human society and how much they have been revered and loved. Chapter 4: The Future of Cats. The intersection of cats and science encompasses various fields such as feline behavior, genetics, and the study of cat health and diseases. For instance, feline behavior studies how cats perceive and interact with the world, allowing us to better understand their needs and improve our communication with them. Feline genetics research reveals the genetic diversity and traits of cats, aiding our understanding of the genetic factors that influence cat health and behavior. Living with cats can potentially bring about positive outcomes for human physical and mental health. Research suggests that owning pets or engaging in animal-assisted therapy can have numerous positive effects on our minds and bodies. Studies show that human-animal interactions can improve various aspects such as social skills, human relationships, and mood enhancement. They also have positive effects on stress-related indicators, self-perceived fear and anxiety, and physical health, particularly heart diseases. Many of these psychological and physiological effects are thought to be largely due to the activation of a hormone called oxytocin, which enhances human affection and trust. Early research has shown that human-animal interactions boost oxytocin activity. The increase in oxytocin activity is proposed as a fundamental mechanism for understanding not only how these effects of human-animal interactions occur but also for explaining these effects. Of course, this animal therapy can also be obtained by owning pets other than cats. Furthermore, the study of cat health and diseases is a crucial field for improving the quality of life for cats. Research in this field directly contributes to cat health and happiness through the development of new treatments and preventive measures, early detection and management of diseases, and extending the healthy lifespan of cats. Chronic kidney disease is a common problem in cats, particularly affecting older cats. This disease is progressive, and currently, treatments are limited. In recent research, scientists have developed a new method that could potentially treat chronic kidney disease in cats. They discovered that by using a specific type of stem cells to regenerate kidney tissue, kidney function improved as a result. This treatment is still in its early stages, and experiments are primarily conducted on rats. However, this research could potentially advance the treatment of chronic kidney disease in cats significantly. In the future, this treatment could potentially be used to treat kidney disease in cats. By deepening our relationship with cats and enhancing our scientific knowledge and understanding to improve cat health and happiness, we can make our coexistence with cats more enriching and joyful. And that, in turn, makes our own lives more enriching and joyful. Finally, as long as we love cats and do our best for them, the future of cats will be bright. We have looked at the history of cats from 60 million years ago to the present, and even into the future. I hope you were able to learn more about cats. Thank you for your hard work. Goodbye.